Let's make chicken biryani. Add some oil and fry the chicken pieces. Now add the tomatoes and fry the onions for layering. Add ginger, garlic, and green chilies. Add spices mentioned in description below. Cover and cook till tomatoes are soft. Add whole spices and a little yogurt. Add some water and cook till the chicken is almost done. Add potatoes and cook for 10 minutes. Boil the rice with salt and vinegar. Add a few mint leaves and whole spices. Make pineapple tang and beat the heat. Strain the rice and do the layering. Cover and cook for 8 minutes on lowest flame. Serve with raita, salad, or as it is.